Hey guys, welcome to Safi Next. In this video, I will let you know how to make Chrome your default browser or how to change the default browser from one to the other on your Windows settings. So for that, you first need to click Windows and I keys on your keyboard together to come to Windows settings. And on Windows settings, click on Apps. And in the apps group, come down to default apps on the left panel. If I click on it, and then I scroll down to web browser, and you see here I have chosen Microsoft Edge as my default browser. If I click on this, I get this list of different browser: Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and here is Google Chrome. If I click Google Chrome, now it changes the default browser from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome. That means now Google Chrome is my default browser. To see whether it is the default browser or not, I come here and there is a link on my Tech console. So I click this link. If Google Chrome is my default browser, it will open this link in Google Chrome. And yes, it is Google Chrome, and you see it has opened. If I click right, you see it is Google, so it is Google Chrome, and the link has opened in it. So I have changed from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome as my default browser. Thanks for watching.